good morning children. This is 5th standard English class. Before getting into our class, I want to tell you something. Complete your work day to day only children. Don't keep any pending work because later on it will be a burden for you only to complete all the work at a time. Okay? So complete your work day to day. Getting back to our Chakravarti Investigates. Remember the first topic, it was Chakravarti Investigates. In that we have a guest story. In the second topic, what did we do? Making inferences. We have seen what type of a character was Chakravarti, right? And in the third topic, today we are going to complete two topics, children. That is S3 and S4. S3 and S4. In S3, it is solving the case. Solving the case. And in S4, character sketch. Character sketch. First we look into solving the case, children, then we are going to discuss about character sketch, right? Now solving the case. Did Chakravarti had any case to solve? No, right? He used to come from school and wait near the window to catch any pickpocketer or any criminal and hand them over to the inspector, right? Now, in this solving the case, we read only 3 pages of the story, if you remember, right? We read only 3 pages of the story. Now what I will do, I will complete reading and explanation of the story. Then we are going to discuss about these 2 parts at a time. Okay? Fine. Open your readers now. Yes, before going for the next 4th page, first we'll have a simple fast review. We have seen that Chakravarti wants to investigate something, so always he used to look out of the window and try to catch the pickpocketer and hand over them to the inspector, right? And here is the Patel Street. Which street? Patel Street. Ahead there was a Deepavali festival, so all the people were on the street for shopping, right? In Patel Street, 67 number of shops were there. How many? 67. Many of them don't know how many shops were there, but because Chakravarti wanted to become a detective, he used to note down everything. He knows how many number of shops and the addresses of the shops also. His main motto was he want to become the detective. Now, in the next page, what did you see? When Chakravarti was peeping out of the window, he saw a small girl, purple colored dress, curly hair, and there was a cow passing near from the girl. And to the other side of the street, he saw a woman yelling at the policeman. That means he started thinking what was happening in the street. He started thinking over here in the 4th page. So keep your finger while reading. Then Chakravarti realized that the woman had wild curly hair too, just like the small girl. He ran out of his room and out of his flat, putting on his chappals on the way. Can you see here, children? He started thinking at the one street of the corner, he saw the girl, and the other street, woman. And he started thinking. He was thinking about these 2 features. How do they look? Both are having curly hair. So immediately he got into his mind that might be this girl's mother is the woman. He ran out of his room, out of his flat, wearing his chappals on the way. Next. He needn't have worried. The girl was still standing in the same place, eating her ice cream. Hi, I am Chakravarti, he said. The girl nodded her head, but she was too busy eating to talk. Chakravarti picked her up and walked towards the police booth. Now see, he came out of his room and he went near the girl. And he picked up the girl and went near the policeman. But still, the girl was eating her ice cream. Turn to the next page. Yes. The woman with the curly hair was still there. So was the inspector. Oh, there she is, shouted the woman as soon as she saw Chakravarti and the girl. I thought someone had kidnapped her. The girl had at last finished eating her ice cream. That was so tasty. She said with a big smile, Amma, can I have a butterscotch next? Now see what happened. Chakravarti brought the girl near the woman, and the inspector and woman saw the girl, and woman said that she is her girl. By the time they reached near the woman police booth, what happened? The girl completed her ice cream, and as she saw her mother, she said, I want to eat butterscotch ice cream. Now Chakravarti told everyone what had happened. The inspector was very impressed, so was Jayanti auntie, the girl's mother. She gave him a reward of 50 rupees. Chakravarti took it and bowed. I'll consider this my fee, he said. Now see what happened. As Chakravarti bought the girl and gave to the woman, and the woman's name was Jayanti. What did she do? She gave 50 rupees to Chakravarti. She said that this is your reward. Chakravarti said, yes, I'll consider this as my fee. That means he want to take it as his fee because he brought the girl and handed over her to that girl's mother. Next. On his way back home, Chakravarti bought a pair of sunglasses. Now see, can you see? While going home, what did he do with that 50 rupees? He purchased sunglasses. Right? Now, how did Chakravarti solve the case? Till now we had read the story, right? How did Chakravarti solve the story and the problem? What was the problem? Mother missed her daughter. Yes? With which all clues helped him to solve the case? That woman was crying. The first clue was woman was crying, describing something to the policeman. What she was doing? The woman while crying, she was describing something to the policeman. This is one clue. And the second clue is both are having wild curly hair. The woman and the girl were having white curly hair. By seeing this, with the help of the clues, we can understand that he has solved the case. He brought the girl to her mother and handed her over to the Jayanti auntie, right? Now, by seeing this, what do you understand about the character of Chakravarti? By seeing this, what did you understand the character of Chakravarti? Yes. Now here, for example, I have given you the trait, that is adjective alert. The trait of Chakravarti is alert. For that topic sentence is Chakravarti was very alert, just like a real detective. What is the topic sentence I have given over here? Chakravarti was very alert, just like a real detective. Now based on this, you are going to write the main body of the paragraph. How can you say that he used to act like a real detective, that all the time he used to stand near the window and peep outside to catch the criminals or the pickpocketers, not doing his homework, not playing with his sister? That all are going to write in this main body of the paragraph. That means you are going to give the evidence over here in the paragraph. Right? Next, you are going to conclude. What you are going to conclude? That what happened at the end. Chakravarti's alertness helped him to solve the case. That was the conclusion. I hope you understood how to write this, children. If you open your workbook, please open your workbook. S3, solving the case. In this, you have to write 3 clues and you are going to give the evidence. You are going to give the reason. What is the clue and why did you give the clue over here? Okay. Next question. Write about 2 or 3 more character traits that you noticed about Chakravarti. You can take the example that careful, he was curious, he was observant. Any of the example you can take and give the evidence, that is reason. Okay. Next, which trait of Chakravarti's would you like to have yourself? Why? You are going to write which trait, which quality of Chakravarti you have and you are going to write. Open to S4 and don't forget to write the date over there, children. Open to S4, Chakravarti sketch. This with the help of the board, blackboard, you can complete. Okay. Here on the blackboard I have explained you one of the trait. You can take any of Chakravarti's trait and complete it. Trait that you can write as alert, which I have given on the blackboard, or as observant, anything. Topic sentence you are going to write, that is the main key detail of that trait, and then main body of the paragraph, write the concluding sentence. Okay. So by this I am going to end the session. Before that I want to tell you something, children. In the next class I want you to keep your classwork book ready and activity book also ready. Okay. Thank you.